Hi Hadi, today we are going to draw a nice girl, beautiful girl. We're seeing from the back side. Alright, let's start the drawing. First, we are going to draw the hair on the top and start the drawing from the top here. Alright, so few details you can see I'm going to draw right now. As you can see, I'm putting a ornament in the middle of the head. Alright, let's make it a purple color. Okay, we're going to use a sign pen to put the color. Okay, all right, now let's put the shades for the heads here. And you can see the hair, it has a different types of hair design. So let's put the variations to the hair. Okay, and another variations you can see here in this place. So all the details in the head, when you do the drawings, you have to be very patient to draw all the details here. Okay, so looking the head very nice, the hairstyle. All right, putting the nice hairstyle again here from the top, and this is matching in the middle. Uh-huh. All right, so for the pencil sketch, you have to be very careful about the light, shade, shadow, and the presentations. In this case, the observation is very important. All right, so with the good observations, you can just draw a very nice painting or nice drawing, sketch. Everything is good. So it's all about the observations and the practice. Okay, so for the hair, it looks nice on the top. And a little bit you can see the dark shades here I'm putting right now. Also in this place you can see a little dark shades. Also here. All right, okay, so the hair is done. Now let's put a partially darker colors. All right, and we're going to draw the other parts like the ear on the side. You can see. Also on this side too. Okay, so this is the outlines, and let's see it here. Okay, all right, now we are going to draw the outlines here. Okay. Mm-hmm. All right, so the shoulder is done. Now you can see the sides. That's going to be done later. On the other side, let's draw a shoulder and extensions coming up to this point. All right, and another line you can see here coming up to this point. All right, so first we're drawing the outlines, then we're going to put the colors. Okay, and the border outlines here. All right, okay, so this part is done. Now we're going to put the dress. It's a fashionable dress she's wearing. All right, another part is coming from here because the clothes has a little shades design and the wrinkles. Okay, and the rack, this is in the back. All right, and the drawing of the hand of the left side you can see here. I'm drawing right now, and this is like this. All right, the dress is coming up to this position, and we're going to connect the two lines like here, then put one line in the middle. So you can see that the back side is almost complete. Okay, now let's go to the extension to the waist point, and you can draw a curved line along these lines. You can see here I'm putting right now, and the dress is coming up here. All right, the details you can see. Okay, nice and easy. All right, and you can do the extensions again, and also another extensions you can do here up to the last point, and this is the finishing line. All right, you can draw another line here and come to the finishing line. So we're going to draw a few lines to show the usual wrinkles and the shades and shadows and the designs of the traditional Indian dress. So this dress is a traditional dress, also India, Pakistan, Bangladesh. So this is called shari, and this is wear in the subcontinent, South Asian countries. All right, so you can see here, okay, the wrinkles, and at the point we can see. All right, few wrinkles you can see from this point coming from the this point. All right, also this point you can see few lines here. All right, okay, and we're going to provide a seating arrangement here on which she is sitting. Okay, all right, and this is the seating arrangement. With the dark pen or the dark pencil we're going to put the shading lines here. Okay, all right, so you can see the usual presentations. Also, we have a deeper shades to the other points. Okay. All right. Now for the dress, we are going to provide the blue color here. Okay. You can see the blue shades for the dresses. So we're providing the color for the blouse with the blue color. Okay, all right. Also putting the shades to the other points. Okay, all right. The shades. Again, the shade is darker here. And also connecting from this point. Again, you can see the blue outlines. All right. Few strokes you can see from this side. All right. And also the blue is coming up from here. Okay. For the purple color, let's put a purple here. All right. So about the shades, you can see the shade is only one side and the dress is getting nice. All right. And also another shade you can see on this side. All right. Also in this side. All right. This is because the dress is nice here, and we're going to put pink color to the borders of this dress. Dark pink you can see here, and some colors according to the wrinkles points. You can see the presentations. Okay. Also few shades we're going to see here. You can see the shades here in these points. All right. Okay, so let's put the pink color in a common outlines and the color of the whole dresses. All right. And we are putting the, you can see the colors of the body parts. This is the bright orange. Okay. Also we're putting the bright orange here. So you can see the bright orange color. So it's looks like little bit golden color, but very nice color for the body color tone. So let's make it a little darker in the middle. Okay, and also here little bit. You can see the colors. For the shades, in some points we're going to make it little darker, and making the variations. All right, also in the bottom, making the little variations in the shadow. Also some variations in the shadow here. So you can see the color looking very nice. All right, okay, and the orange color is also here, you can see. And for the wooden color, we can put the two colors patterns here. So this is the wooden seating arrangement. Alright, so this is the drawing. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel, browse through the playlist for different categories. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icons on. Have a good day.